Welcome to WebStylePress. How to install Java on Windows. In Google, search download JDK or JDK download. Click at this first link, Java downloads. Scroll down. Download is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Choose your operating system. I will select Windows. Under Windows, I will choose MSI installer. Download it. After it's downloaded, run the installer. Click Next. It's being installed on this location. See, program files Java JDK 23. If you want to change the path, you can do so by clicking Change button. Usually it's okay to keep it default. Click Next. It will take a little bit of time in installation. Successfully installed. Close the installer. Now we don't need this file. So let's remove it. Now, very important step. Search environment variables, edit system environment variables. Click this button, environment variables. Under system variables, click path and edit it. Here we have to add a new path. So we need to copy that path. That is in C, program files Java JDK 23. That is Java folder, Java version folder. And then bin. We need to copy this address. Click new, paste the path, hit OK. Now let's set JavaHOME. Now instead of editing path, click new button. Type Java_home where it says variable name. And for the value, paste exact same path, but remove bin and slash. I'm just keeping the JDK-23 at the end of the path. Click OK. Hit OK, OK, and that's it. Let's verify it. Open command prompt. In my case, I have opened a terminal, that is git bash java version. Type this, hit enter. And we see we have got this Java version installed, Java 23. That means Java is installed. If you don't have git bash or git for Windows, then from start, open command prompt and type java --version to verify if it's installed or not. And in our case, it is installed. So let's test it by running a Java program. I will create a file here with the name fib.java. Let's open this file in code editor and paste this code. Public class fib. And file name is also fib.java. So it's to print a Fibonacci sequence up to the 10th number. Let's run this. So I'll open the terminal and I will use javac fib.java. And you see this class was created, fib.class. Now I will use java fib. And you see this result, Fibonacci sequence up to 10 terms. And this is the sequence. So the program is running. That means Java is installed. And this is how you can install Java, JavaHOME or JDK in your PC and run it. Download link for updated JDK is in the video description. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.